Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Laura here from A Busy Bee's Journal, and today is another junk journal with me episode. Today we're going to be junk journaling about just basic everyday stuff. I've got some ducks that visited the garden. They just came waddling over. It's quite cute actually. And then just some bits and pieces that I picked up from the local garden centre. So I printed out some pictures of the little ducks and the fake plants and stuff that I bought from the garden centre, and now I'm just deciding what I'm going to put on the page and where I'm going to put it all. I generally kind of keep fake plants because I had a succulent in that corgi plant pot, but I even killed that, so yeah. I'm probably safer with fake plants, just so that I don't end up killing them off, because I do want greenery in my house. I want greenery in my craft room, but I just haven't got the time to go around watering everything, so I think fake plants are the best option. The newest addition was that stripy, I don't know what it's actually called, the actual plant, but that stripy plant in the plant pot, that's made out of felt, and I got that from the garden centre, so that's really cute. So I'm just pulling out this envelope that I have full of cutouts from Daphne's Diary magazine. I think this was from the spring 2022 edition. Yeah, I definitely don't read my magazines very often. I don't really have much time to read them, and I like to read them when there's like peace and quiet in the house. So yeah, I just read it and I cut out loads of bits, so I chose some like little sunshines and stuff and flowers to go with the plant theme and with the ducks. So I'm just deciding which page I want to put each one on. I decided to put the fake plant one on that book page, just because it's got like that seaweed plant stuff on it, and I thought it went really well with what I was trying to journal about. And I'm just sticking the duck photo on that dark green floral page. So I'm just going to have a rummage through the little bits that I cut out because I want to add these onto the page. I was going to stick that book page writing on the back of that photo, just behind that photo on the book page, but then I thought that was a bit strange because it's already on a book page. So I decided against it and just stuck the photo back down. And then I found this little sun, and I thought I was going to add that to the page, but it didn't end up going really well with any of the spreads, so I decided not to add it. I added this little leaf to the second page just because I thought that goes really well with the plant theme, and then I stuck these little pink flowers down on the duck page because I thought that looked really cute, like they're wandering through the flowers and the grass to come and see us. So I added those to the top and the bottom of the page and some other bits. I also found this piece of text that I cut out saying eggs and birds, and I thought that kind of went quite well with what I was journaling about, but I ended up not using it in the end because I wanted to journal about my budgies. So I thought I'd use it for that instead, or for something else. And so yeah, I'm just sticking the flowers down onto the page. So this is where my camera cuts out because I had full storage. It's really such a pain filming on your phone. All I did was add that piece of lined paper to the corner of that photo, and then I'm just going to add some washi tape I picked out this one that I bought when I was in New York. It was the Maggie Holmes, I think it's the garden party one, but I can't be too sure. But I thought that went really well with the pink flowers and the green and fat duck page, and the fact that I'm journaling about plants again. So I'm just adding a few bits here and there. So now I'm just going to have a look through my Maggie Holmes sticker book. I absolutely love this sticker book, as you can tell. So I need to buy myself a new one. I know there's some swan stickers in here, so I wanted to add those to the page because I thought that would go really well. And I also was looking for some kind of flower or plant themed stickers, so I'm just going to have a flick through and see which ones look good with this spread. So I picked out the swan sticker, a little flower sticker, a little sticker that says "Oh hello there," and the sticker that says "Bloom." Unfortunately, I kind of ripped it when I was getting it out of the sticker book, but never mind, it will be okay when I stick it down on the page. I decided to stick that "Oh hello there" sticker up at the top there, and I was going to stick the flower sticker in the bottom left hand corner of that page, but I decided to move it and put the swan sticker there instead. I just moved that other sticker onto the other page and added it to the bottom of that photo, and then I put the bloom sticker at the top of the right hand page, just because I thought it looks really cute there. So that's pretty much it for this spread. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. I really am proud of this spread and how it turned out, and I really hope you enjoyed. So yeah, see you again soon. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see any more videos from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check out my other videos up there. Thank you!